Welcome to the screencast where I'm going to show you how to do some movements while navigating in Google Earth. So the two movements I'm going to show you, when you're in Google Earth and you're using the keyboard and you're and the trackpad and you're scrolling and zooming in and out, one of the ways that you can direct the camera angle is to do a tilt. So this is an example of a tilt where you're looking straight down on a region, and then you can hold Shift and use the arrow keys up or down to tilt yourself into position where you're looking at the region kind of from the almost from a diagonal look. The second one is the kind of pan or spin around. This one allows you first set your camera kind of on the region that you're looking at. And if you hold Shift and use your left or your right keys, this will cause you to spin in a circle around whatever it is you're looking at. So this is a great way to show off land areas or landforms or specific regions. So use these two tips. I'm going to show you that here real quick right now. So if I go over to Google Earth and I'm going to open one of my places that I've already looked at or already had pre-marked for me, or I could do a search up here for a specific place, but I'm going to use this ever-changing Earth zones. And I'm going to pick a region to look at. So I'm going to look at the Java Trench, and I'm going to double click on one of these, and Google Earth is going to take me right into that area. Now, if I'm looking at this area, I can use my trackpad, and I'm scrolling right now on my trackpad. I'm doing two fingers up and down to kind of get in this area. But as I get closer, I might want to tilt. I'm going to hold Shift and do the down arrow, and that's allowing me to kind of get in a position where I can look around this volcano a little bit easier. Now, if I hold Shift and use my right or left key, it's spinning around whatever's in the center of my camera. So I may need to click and drag like I'm doing and kind of position myself like this. And now this should take me just about around the volcano. So I can point out different things while I'm talking about the land region or the land mass or the land form. So that is how you can use those strategies to your advantage. If you want to get rid of the label while you're looking at this or recording this, you can uncheck it over here. And then that just allows you to not have that label on while you are talking about your region. So that is the tip, just to get you to tilt or to spin around an area you're looking at in Google Earth. Thanks.